Right now, while you're sitting there watching this video, you are moving through space at hundreds of meters per second. But imagine Earth suddenly stopped spinning. The terrifying part? You wouldn't simply feel the Earth stop. You'd keep moving, because everything around you was already moving with it. Think about being inside a perfectly smooth train. You can feel completely still. But slam the brakes, and suddenly your body remembers. And that's exactly what Earth is doing right now. You, the air, the oceans, the buildings, everything is already moving together with the spinning planet.
And it's not just you. The atmosphere is moving too. If Earth suddenly stopped, the air would keep going, turning into a wind unlike anything humanity has ever experienced. And the oceans wouldn't stop either. Their momentum would carry billions of tons of water forward, sending catastrophic waves across coastlines around the planet. And the closer you are to the equator, the worse it gets. That's where Earth's surface is moving fastest, more than 1,600 kilometers per hour. But the destruction wouldn't end there. Earth's rotation is part of a much bigger system, and stopping the planet could eventually disrupt the systems that protect us from space.
And then comes something even stranger. Without rotation, there would be no normal day and night. One side of Earth would face the sun, while the other would remain trapped in darkness.
But between those two extremes would be a narrow twver near the horizon. It might become one of the only places where life could remain relatively stable. But between those two extremes would be a narrow twver near the horizon. It might become one of the only places where life could remain relatively stable. Even gravity would feel slightly different. Earth's rotation currently gives you a tiny outward push. Remove that rotation, and you would weigh a little more. And over a much longer period, Earth itself would begin to change shape. Without the centrifugal bulge would slowly disappear.
But here's the fascinating part. Earth is already slowing down. The moon's gravity is gradually stealing a tiny amount of Earth's rotational energy. Every day, Earth's rotation slows by a tiny amount. It's almost impossible to notice. But over millions of years, those tiny changes add up. The moon is actually taking a tiny amount of Earth's spin and transferring that energy into its orbit. That's why the moon is slowly moving away from us.
So, could Earth really stop spinning? Technically, yes, but not suddenly. The natural forces slowing it down are incredibly weak, and the process takes an unimaginably long time.
And somehow, after all of that, you're still sitting there, on a planet spinning through space, held together by forces you can't see. You don't feel Earth's rotation, because everything around you is moving with it. The ground beneath your feet, the air in your lungs, even the cup in your hand.
Every second, gravity, motion, atmosphere, oceans, and the moon are interacting in a delicate cosmic balance. And somehow, it all works.
So the next time you sit quietly and think you're standing still, remember, you're actually riding a spinning planet through space. And that's the strangest thing about Earth. It's moving faster than you can imagine, yet from your couch are the ones you never notice.